Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open the game. Now in order to trade stickers, all you have to do is just simply click on the album option at the very bottom right. Now you'll find a group of a lot of stickers. Now in each group you'll find a particular card. So let's say for example Robin Hood over here. Now as you can see you will find a lot of cards over here and there are obviously few cards missing because I haven't collected all of them. Now there is a key thing that you have to keep in mind when trading cards. So in order to trade any card, you will first need to have a duplicate of that card. So let me show you an example. So right over here as tax time. So if I click on this card, you will find that there is no option of trading this card or sharing this card. And if I just simply open the next card, you'll find that you will have a new option which is send to friend. And you will also find that there is a new icon on top of the card which is +5. Now the number might vary. It will totally depend on how many duplicate do you have of a single card. So as you can see, this one has 2 duplicates. This one also has 2 and they all have 2 duplicates. Now this is it. In order to actually trade any sticker, you will need to have a duplicate of that particular sticker. Now you will find that in every single group over here. Even if I open something like over here, you will find that you will have duplicates over there as well if you're able to get duplicates first. Now once you have a duplicate, what to do? Click on that and click on send it to friend. Then just simply choose your friend from the friend list that you have and click on select and send. Now you will also notice that there is a limit to how many times you can ask or send stickers to your friend, and the limit is 5 and we just used 1. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.